A toner may not seem necessary to include in your beauty routine, but it's a must-have if you're dealing with oily or acne-prone skin. So why waste money on expensive toners when we've got 4 recipes that show you how you can make your own? Now, vodka may not always be your choice of drink, but including it in your beauty ritual may refresh and clean your skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of vodka, 3 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of watermelon juice, and 3 drops of patchouli essential oil and stir it. Vodka has natural healing properties that clear dirt and oil from your skin and tighten pores. Watermelon juice fights acne and skin aging, while the patchouli oil will promote new cell growth and reduce scars. By now, we're all aware of the goodness of green tea, but did you know that the brew can also be used as a natural toner? Mix 1/3 cup of green tea with 3 to 4 drops of tea tree essential oils and apply it on your face using a cotton pad. The antioxidant and antibacterial properties in green tea help prevent sun damage and clear acne, while the tea tree oil soothes the skin, leaving it soft and supple. Known for its ability to kill acne-causing bacteria, apple cider vinegar not only reduces acne, but also helps with blemishes and scars. Start by making your own distilled purified water. Heat water in a vessel and add in a couple of tulsi leaves. Let it simmer on low heat for 15 minutes. Place a small bowl on top of the infused mixture and cover it with a lid with a few ice cubes on it. After simmering the water for 15 minutes, you'll find that the distilled water has collected in the small bowl. To make the toner, take 50 ml of apple cider vinegar and mix it with 150 ml of distilled purified water. Apple cider vinegar smoothens the texture of your skin while also balancing the pH levels. If used daily, the toner will clear out any breakouts and give you clear, blemish-free skin. A girl on the go needs a skincare solution in a rush, and this rose water facial mist will be your absolute savior. In a saucepan, add fresh rose petals and submerge it in enough water. Let the water simmer for about 15 minutes and then strain it once cooled. In half a cup of rose water, add 20 drops of jojoba oil and 5 to 6 drops of lemon essential oil. The antioxidant and antibacterial properties in rose water absorb excess dirt and oil from your skin while maintaining its pH balance. Jojoba oil will seal the moisture in, while the lemon essential oil will help fight free radicals and unclog your pores, leaving you with soft and supple skin. We hope these simple hacks help you achieve dewy, soft skin at home using natural ingredients. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.